Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel WXY Handmade. Today I'll show you how to make these pink rose stud earrings. They're perfect for wearing yourself or making as a handmade gift for someone special. Before we begin, let's take a look at the whole process so you can get a better idea of how everything comes together. String on 10 beads. Pass back through all 10 beads. Then continue through 2 more beads to form a circle. Leave about 4 inches of thread as a tail. String on 3 beads. On the circle, skip 1 bead and pass through the next bead. Repeat the same step. String on 3 beads, skip 1 bead, and pass through the next bead. This is what it should look like. Bring your needle up through the middle bead of the 3-bead loop. String on 5 beads. Then pass through the middle bead of the next loop. Continue adding 5 beads between each pair of middle beads. This is what it looks like after completing the round. Bring your needle up through a middle bead again. String on 7 beads. Pass through the next middle bead. Continue adding 7 beads between every pair of middle beads until the round is complete. We just added the 7 bead arches. Now on the 2nd, 4th, and 6th beads of each arch, add 3 beads to create small loops. When moving to the next group, don't pass through the dark pink bead. This helps prevent too many thread passes through the sand bead. This is what it should look like after finishing the round. Next, bring your needle up to the top bead of the new 3-bead loop. Add 1 bead between each pair of top beads. After that, move your thread to the next group. Make sure to pull the thread tight here. This would help the petals curve naturally. Repeat the same steps all the way around. This is what it looks like when the round is finished. Now we're going to make another layer of petals. Simply repeat the same process we used for the previous layer. First, add a round of 7 bead arches, then follow the same steps as before. This is what the new layer of petals should look like. Bring your needle through this dark pink bead. As you can see, there are 5 dark pink beads circled in this picture. Starting from one of these dark pink beads, string on 9 beads, skip the adjacent dark pink bead, and pass through the next dark pink bead. String on 9 beads. Skip this dark pink bead and pass through the next one. Repeat the same process until you've made 5 loops in total. This is what it should look like when you're done. Now bring your thread to the innermost round of beads. String on 5 beads, skip 3 beads, and pass through the next bead. Tie a knot and trim the thread. Apply UV resin to the center of the flower. Place the cubic zirconia in the middle and cure it after a UV lamp. Apply a little UV resin to the back of the flower. Attach the earring post and cure it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day.